Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to discuss about Selenium 4 new locators. So in this we have around 5 new locators. There are like near, left of, right of, above and below. So let me explain in a website. So if I take it below of this element, so what is the PID of this element? Okay, so P2, which one is below? Below will be P6. Okay, and then if I have to go with the left of P2, so which one is the left of P2? Then P1 will be the left of P2. Then again, if I have to go right of P2, then it will be this one is the right of P2. Because P2 I'm telling is PID 2. Why PID 2? Because this nearby, left, right, above, all work on the same, when the elements are in the same tag of HTML, like li. I'm taking a reference of li and then I'm going trying to get some left and right, because if you have a button like button and then you have a input, you cannot do use left and right. It has to be on same tag. So these are in the same tag like li. That's why we are able to do it. Okay, so let's take the example of first one. We want to go to the left of P6. So left of P6 is, this is a P6, you see. Let me inspect it. P6, so PID is 6. Okay, and left of this will be pi 5 because this will be the left. Okay, so let's run it and see how it's working. Then I'll explain the code. It's very simple. We don't have to do much thing here. So you see p, okay, so I have taken PID 6, which is the left of PID 6. PID 5 is PID 6, and is the left of PID 6 is PID 5. Okay, now let's go into the code. um, till here, like, we have just opened the a browser, Chrome browser, and navigated to the automation bookstore. Now we are just giving find driver.find by element, and then we have a relative locator dot with. So we are using relative locator, and we have to use tag name with respect to which tag name, which relative locator you want to use it. So you have to use relative locator dot with. Then you have to use by tag name, because you are using left and right of some reference. So this is a reference. I'm going for this tag name. Go to the left of this element. So by tag name li, this is a reference. And now I'm with this reference. I'm telling, okay, in this whole list, this is a list basically. You can see it. Li is a list. In this list, you go left of PID 6. So which one is the left of PID 6? It is PID 5 is the left. So it is giving me PID 5. Got it? What I'm trying to get it, I'm trying to get the get attributes. So you see, I'm getting the attribute PID 5. Got it? You see? The same thing I'm doing it for others also. Now take the example of, let me comment it, this one, so that we can go to the next below. So if you see here below also, we are taking the reference relative locator with by dot tag name li, and then I'm saying, okay, below of pi1. Now what is the below of pi1? This is a pi1, which is a below pi5. PID5 is a below, correct? So it's to return me PID 5 because this is a below of P1. P1 is here, PID1 and PID5. So let me run this code. So it will give me PID5. Oh, I just forgot to enable this one. Now I'll run it because print I have not given, so that's why it's not printing anything. Okay, so this will be always saving it before launching it. So you see, PID5. Okay, so it's very easy. Like relative locator, you have to give with relative to what, where you want to go, because you have to use below, right, left with relative to what. If I say below, with respect to what? So this is a relative basically, and then where from where you want to go, below or right or left. So let me show you the other code. just I want to show one by one above. Now, if you see here in above, again we have taken this relative code, tag name li. Then I have gone to the element called PID6. So now PID6 is this one is the PID6. You see PID6. I want to go above. So it will go PID2. So this will be the PID2. So let me go to the code. This is above of PID6. So PID2 should print. I'm trying to capture the attribute which is called as an ID so that we can have a clear picture here. You see PID2 because on the top of PID6 we have PID2. So we're using it for above. Then we have right. Right means right of any element. Any element with respect to the relative. You have to always use with the relative. It's not like under the list or under the button. There's so many buttons are there. Suppose there is a five buttons are there, and you want to click first but left of one button or right of one button, then you can use it. So you have to always use with the relative. Okay, now we are going to see how the right of is working basically. So here you see right of PI1, PID1, PID1 right is PID1 right is PID2. So it should print me PID2, correct? Same code. There is no difference of code. You see, relative locator with PLI1 to the right of by PID6 ID we are using. So it will give me PID2. So which one is the right of PID1 is PID2. Now let's go to the another code which is called near. Near basically work with approx of 50 pixel from the specified element. Okay, what are the element you have specified? From there it will work 50 pixel approx distance. Okay, so I have used this li and then I went into the PID2 and I want to get the nearby of the PID2. Now there is a possibility which one can come. So PID2, I want to get the PID. So it will return me PID5 because it is approx 50 pixel. Okay, so it is returning this one. It will return this one. Let me see what is this returning. So I'll just enable the code, disable the code of right one, and then we'll go from there to see how things are going. So let me go here and see. You see PID5. Now let me change it to the PID3 and see what is happening. Which one it is located nearby. Okay, I can change it which whenever I want. I can change it which one I want. PID6. So which is a near of PID3 is PID6. On the left, it's always going. See now if I give PID4, PID4 if I go, let me give PID1. Then let me see PID1. What is coming? Approx pixel it is taking it. Now PID1, it will take I think PID6 or PID3. I have forgot it. PID6, yeah. You see, this is the nearest 50 pixel, approx 50 pixel. So this gives PID6. I hope you have liked my video. In next video, we'll discuss about other new features of the Selenium 4. Please do subscribe. Thank you.